How to get back old YouTube layout. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to get back old YouTube layout. So in order to get back the old YouTube layout, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you just go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in that is chromewebstore.google.com. That's going to take you to this page, and here you just have to go ahead and press the search box and type in YouTube Redox. When you are on this page, you just have to go ahead and press the first one, and then you have to go ahead and add extension. So click on add to Chrome. When you've actually added the extension, then it's going to just take a couple of seconds, and then you just have to go ahead and read all of these terms and conditions. If you're sure about it, just cross or cancel the page, and then go ahead and open up your YouTube by type youtube.com, and it's going to take you to this page. And here, after you've done or after you've installed the extension, then you'll have successfully got your old YouTube back. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Or else you could also go ahead and press the puzzle shape icon from the top right, and then you could just run the extension. So that is how you can get YouTube layout. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.